Hey guys, Jade Alpine Company's The Art of Raising Brick Walls and Columns. So this guy was sunk. The top of that footing right there was below the sidewalk. So I got it up about 5.5 inches. It's nice and flush with the rest of the columns. Got 3 spots I'm lifting on. Once I get it fine-tuned, I'll go ahead and set and pour the pads and pins that are going to go in there, and then I'll backfill and compact it. If you got settled walls, columns, been doing these here in Denver for over 30 years. You can follow this project as well as over 3,000 others on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.